Interior decorators never have refrigerator magnets on their refrigerators. You have refrigerator magnets all over your refrigerator. So what do we do about that? Hi, I'm Doug Walker. Welcome to the Roominess Design Files. First, you could go cold turkey and get rid of all your refrigerator magnets. Throw them away or give them to somebody else. Second, you could find someplace else to use them. I have one refrigerator magnet that actually hangs out on my dryer. You could also get a metallic bulletin board that you can use to put your refrigerator magnets on and have any reminders that you need. Third, you could contain your refrigerator magnets, wrangle them somehow on your refrigerator so they are in a specific area. Use an actual frame for this, or potentially some kind of a mat that they would stay on so they are in one area. To up your interior decor game, or to help spread the word, hit the share and subscribe buttons below. Thanks for watching.